Good morning, you guys. Just woke up. My mum calling me. Get up, get up. There's stuff down the jetty. So apparently the boat's come, stuff's come. I've been in bed hoping for a lie-in this morning. I was working till quite late last night. And I have to get up. Just going down to the post office, see if I've got any mail. Style. Yeah. Hi you guys, so I think I might get in trouble. I've just had an accident. Which my mum spent all day gardening, potting pots and whatever. I was coming down here on the tractor. There's a little dip in the road going down. I didn't press the brakes in time and I ran over one of the plant pots she's just planted up. Tractor boom. So yeah, she's not going to be impressed. I've not like run over it. I've just not like, well, you know, kind of ran into it. So I'm going to turn the camera off now and pick it up and hopefully she won't notice. So I think I've fixed it. You can't really tell. You can a bit. So yeah, should be alright. Thanks for watching, subscribe I do appreciate it. Mike's Vlogs Daily reporting out. Boom.